Hey guys, Matt Teifke here. I am the co-owner and broker of Teifke Real Estate, headquartered here in Austin, Texas. And we're here to talk about all things real estate. Let's dive in. Hey guys, today I want to talk about how to get started in wholesaling. I'm excited about this topic because most people don't talk about it, especially on the brokerage side. But the number one thing to know is you're looking for opportunities. That's the name of the game. You have to find something that there's value, that somebody will want to pay more for to be able to wholesale the deal. I would recommend finding somebody who's done it, find a way to add value for them, plug in with them, bring them deals, JV with them, meaning bring them an opportunity that you guys split the wholesale fee on. Wholesalers are everywhere. Real estate agents wholesale. There's people that only wholesale. There's large companies that are national companies that wholesale, and you can find wholesalers bigger pockets. You can find them on Facebook groups. You can talk to realtors. But the best way I would say is learn first, then understand what is the process, like what is the contract that's needed? How do you get the contract in place? It's a standard contract, but it's the and or signs that I mentioned earlier. Your buyer's name is Matt Teifke in this case, and or signs. That gives you the ability to assign it. But go knock on some doors. Send out mailers, cold call, make low offers. You can wholesale properties that are on the MLS. You can wholesale land deals. A lot of times you run into the situation where someone simply doesn't want to list. You just add to the tool belt that you have, like, hey, well then I'll go wholesale this deal. You got to find the right title company that will allow wholesaling. Not every title company will allow it or will work with it or even knows how to do it. And then find that mentor to walk you through the process. Look up stuff online, on YouTube. It's everywhere. I think it's extremely important, but the number one thing you need to know is you have to find value. You can't just wholesale something just because you found it. You've got to find something that you know people will want to pay more for. So what's critical to that is understanding the market and understanding values. For example, if you found a house for, call it $200,000, let's say that they want to sell for $200,000 and you think if you put $50,000 into it, it would sell for $300,000. So there's $50,000 in profit in the best case scenario, right? We're not getting into like commissions and everything, just to keep this example simple. Well, you would want to get that under contract at like $150, and then you'd wholesale it for $170. You'd make a $20,000 wholesale fee, and then the person at $170 puts the $50 in, and there's a little bit more room for profit. So get out there. You can find them through, like I mentioned earlier, calling, talking to people, referrals, door knocking, mailers. You can find divorce lists. You can find utility shutoff list. I know people that employ FedEx drivers or UPS drivers, and they give them $500 per deal if they see a vacant house. Driving for dollars, like go drive around and look for houses that look vacant, and then find motivation to sell and properties that are below value, and that's how you wholesale.